This video shows how to assign a hot spare within maxView Storage Manager. A hot spare is a standby drive that is automatically incorporated into an array and takes over when one of the drives in that array fails. Launch maxView Storage Manager and sign into the local machine. The main window showing available controllers will load. In the Enterprise view, select a controller on a system. Select an array on the controller. A RAID 5 array has already been created, so only a hot spare needs to be assigned. Select a ready physical drive in Physical Device Group. Click Spare Management. The Spare Management window opens. A dedicated hot spare can be shared by one or more arrays and protects any redundant logical drives in those arrays. An auto-replace hot spare is assigned to a specific array, and after rebuilding a failed logical drive, it becomes a permanent part of that array. The spare type definition here is different from the Broadcom RAID hot spare terminology. Choose the desired hot spare type and click Next. Select an array to assign the spare to and click Next. Review the configuration and click Finish. A message indicates that the spare was added successfully. Click OK. Click the array and confirm that the spare drive has been assigned to it.